Jamaica and West Indies legend Chris Gayle has been announced as the co-owner of the Glasgow Mugafians franchise, set to take part in this summer's inaugural European T20 Premier League, the ETPL. Gayle, who is also a tourism ambassador for Jamaica in India, has partnered with the Mugafi Group, an Indian-based entertainment business. The 46-year-old Gayle played 103 test matches, 301 ODIs and 79 T20 internationals for the West Indies between 1999 and 2021 and has been one of the most recognizable faces in franchise cricket. The ETPL is being run in collaboration with the cricket boards of Ireland, Scotland and the Netherlands, with teams based out of Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Belfast, Dublin, Glasgow and Edinburgh. The extent of Gayle's investment is not yet known, but it's understood the franchises have been sold for US $15 million over a 10-year period, according to a BBC Sports report earlier this year. The inaugural 6-team tournament is set to be played from August 26 to September 20.